Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. In this video, I'll be sharing tips on how you can achieve a lump-free amala. So sit back, relax, and watch me turn amala. Thank you. So for amala, that's the black amala, yam flour is used. You can buy your yam, peel, dry, and then go blend and store in the house. Or you can buy the yam flour just like I did. First tip, most important, is for you to make sure that you sieve your yam flour because you find dirt in it. Even the one you process on your own may form lumps after staying in the house for a while. So very important, make sure that you sieve it out to break down lumps and take out all dirt. I have a pot of water already boiling. So make sure you have water brought to a proper boil. Now I'm just going to gently stir my yam flour in. Gently stir it in. Do not just pour the yam flour in. No, gently stir it in. Stir gently, gently, gently. When you make sure all of this is mixed, I'll now add in more yam flour until I achieve the consistency to which I want. If you find any lumps now at this point, do not be scared. Okay? Just keep adding in more of the yam flour. It will help you enable break down whatever lumps that is in it. So second tip as well is that your yam flour will help you break down any lumps in the mixture. And then most importantly, as you keep stirring, make sure that you are beating the amala on the side of the pot with your wooden spoon, okay? Or wooden spatula. You just keep beating it on the side and you just keep mixing. Guys, have you tried amala before? Do you find it very easy to mix? Are you able to mix a lump-free amala? Let me know in the comment section, okay? You just keep mixing just the way I am doing. I do this, I don't mind if it's looking like hard or strong because once I'm done, I'm going to add more water and cook it further. At this point, I turn off my gas, okay, to make sure that I am able to mix very, very well. But I turn it off not for too long. It was just like about a minute and I turn it back on. For the commercial one, you always have somebody assisting in dropping the dry powder, okay, like the yam flour. Another person will be stirring, another person is dropping it in. So they don't need to turn it off. Sometimes they even take it off the fire, put it down and use their two legs to hold the pot. And then they will beat and beat and beat and make sure that the amala is very, very soft. So you see what I'm doing? Very, very important. If you find any lumps at this point, add in more dry yam flour and keep mixing and stirring and beating it. I'm done mixing now. I'm now going to add enough water. Make sure the water is like under the amala and I'll cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll come back to the pot. Here we are after 5 minutes. You can see the way it's like well cooked now. Now I'm now going to break it all down and make sure that I mix it very, very well. So if you want to achieve a very soft amala, just add in enough water like I did. When it's well cooked now, I'm just going to mix everything and the end result will be a very soft amala. If you want a shiny outlook, drop in some drops of vegetable oil in the water before pouring in your yam flour, or even at this point, then you will get a shiny, soft amala. And amala can be enjoyed with any kind of soup actually, but it's best eaten when it is warm or hot. You can use ewedu, you can use your okra and stew to enjoy it just like I did. Now I'm just portioning it all out. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to like, share and also follow if you aren't already. Please subscribe to my channel, follow my page and show me your support. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you all in another video. Do not go away. Stay tuned and see how I'm going to serve with my okra and fish stew. Bye bye.